Sanibonani, Dumelang, Abshini, Kama, Usabelo, Mfana Kamdluli. Back again, back with another video. Bafethu, ngiyanicela, please subscribe to your boy, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below all the shenanigans. But yes, Bafethu, it's finished 1-1. Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns, all square, it draw, fair result at the end of the day. But let's be honest, no team is happy about the result. No one is happy with the result. Orlando Pirates are not, Sundowns are not. Let me tell you who's happy right now. Kaizer Chiefs, because they are the big winners. They won their match the past week. But win a match here, and yeah, they are the happy people now. Not Orlando Pirates, but per se. But happy people now with the points that they received. Level on points in the Orlando Pirates. Are we level on points? Yeah, we are level on points. Yeah. We are level on points. Yeah, but still, I can stress this with every caution possible. The Orlando Pirates has to win the league of it. I don't care what you think. Win the FN league. That's it. Wadu uyabona respect manje ngikhuluma igama lakho la Wadu. Your team selection sometimes sketchy. It's sketchy, man. I didn't understand uDanson playing in the 10 role, but I understand ukuthi iPirates befuna ukenzani, befuna ukudominate ibhola. Bengafuni ukuthi Sundowns idominate ibhola the way they usually do. Abantu abazomaka uDanson will do that namathajela namatich. Masindi boy. Yabo, no Nuli in the middle of the park. I didn't expect uDanson to start, but I didn't expect what he produced. What a goal, bafethu. Thumeleni into Danson. Mwana wale Khaladi. Another one. We've got another one. Another graduate, bafethu, from the DC team. Bafethu. Orlando Pirates are cooking when it comes to development. Player after player after player. Player after player. It was really Nkota, Mbogazi, Siema. Now look, Danson. Oh my God, what a goal, Mfanagiti. 20 years old. You are being thrown in the deep end. For you to produce that quality player. Mnandi, shugela. Mwana wale Khaladi. Is he Khaladi? Angazi. But for me, mwana wale Khaladi. Dancing. Son. Boy dancer lapha in the middle of the park. Fair enough, you got hooked. But the performance, but the goal. Love it. Orlando Pirates should have won this game. Let's be honest. Orlando Pirates should have won this game. Siema, what are you doing? Siema, what are you doing? It was simple. Kosipola, tap in for a police. Hey son. But yeah, I will take the top of it to as Liwanga. Sometimes na Liwanga. It's only Kaizer Chiefs that are happy at the moment. Mina, my thoughts 50-50, 50-50 with the performance, but we should have won this game. Siema. If you can hold that ball to a police empty net, I'm telling you, we'll win that game 2-1. But you are a defender. I don't blame you for what you did. We defend on a mindset of defender. You don't have a mindset of an attacker. But it's finished over for you too. We go to our next game. Who are we playing next game? Who are we playing? I'll have to check, Buffett. I'll have to check. Golden Arrows, yeah. I think it's Golden Arrows, yeah. We're playing Golden Arrows, Buffett too. They are on form. Golden Arrows. Mangoba, he's on form. He's cooking now. But we go Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. So Wednesday. Tell me what you think, Buffett, in your performance at Pirates. Did we deserve that draw? Did we need to draw that game, or did we need to? Was it a must win? Was it a must win? Yes or no? For me, it was a must win because the pressure would have been on Sundowns. Phela Sundowns ingakhohlwa, sine 2 games in hand. You understand? So now if we won that game, bese make sure ukuthi siyabashaya, then we are 11 on points. Kule 2 games in hand yethu, we can make it a 6-point gap of it. But anyway, we didn't lose our first draw of the season. Sizobona kuyenzakalani next time around. I'm out of it.